What's up, my Jerrys? Today we're going to showcase our shoe restoration package with flat soles available on our website. On this order, we wanted to give a second life on his Red Wings Iron Ranger. We put back on the number 430 soles with matching heels from Vibram. Let us show you how we take care of your Goodyear welted shoes. You can go check us out on Chez Gerry 1958.com to acquire our services.
Slipping on lace and up tight. These boots were born for a Saturday night. The leather's worn and the soles are scuffed, but take me anywhere, ain't nothing too tough. From the city streets to the dusty trails, these Iron Rangers never fail. They've seen it all, from the bars to the stages, walking tall, turning heads in all the right places, kicking ass in Iron Rangers. They're my trusty sidekicks, my Lone Rangers. Through thick and thin, they'll never let me down. These boots, they make me feel like a king in this town. Yeah, you ought to sit in that chair, shoot like a king in this town. Grab your iron ganger boots, baby. We're gonna dance until the break of day. Those Red Wings ain't just for the ice, no. They're made for rocking to the beat. When we lace them up and hit the floor, we can feel the music in our feet. Kicking ass in Iron Rangers, kicking ass in Iron Rangers. They're my trusty sidekicks, my Lone Rangers. Through thick and thin, they'll never let me down. These boots, they make me feel like a king in this town. Kicking ass in Iron Rangers. They're my trusty sidekicks, my Lone Rangers. Through thick and thin, they'll never let me down. These boots, they make me feel like a king in this town.
That's all, my Jerrys. Thanks for sticking around to see the end result. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what is your favorite part of our resoling process in the comments below. To acquire our services, head on out on ChezGerry1958.com. We accept mail-in orders.